Information system skills are really crucial because we're not just solving technology problems, we're looking to deliver real business value and business outcomes, which is about so much more than technology.
The Monash Master of Business Information Systems is a leading socio-technical degree offered by the Faculty of IT.
We are in a unique position to draw on advanced technical knowledge to deliver subjects that focus on cutting-edge technology. Our teaching is about getting students future ready.
I completed my bachelor studies in information technology, and I work at Integrated Financial Management Information System Department of Ministry of Finance of Timor-Leste for 3 years.
I worked for 3 years as client manager and senior product manager in financial and fintech industry.
After completing my undergraduate degree in computer science, I started working as an IT consultant.
I have 5 years of IT experience as a DevSecOps engineer. My career goal is to bridge the gap between business and IT, leveraging my technical skills and to drive business strategies.
I wanted to advance my career into leadership to develop new technology strategies that drive new revenue streams, create new competitive advantages, and bring new and improved benefit to the customers.
After completing my study, I'm planning to return home to support digitalization and digital transformation project. Timor-Leste is a young developing country, so it needs more of ICT professionals.
My career goal is to become a leading product manager, driving innovative solutions that make a tangible impact on businesses and communities. At the end of the MBIS unit, there's a capstone unit, which is an end-to-end project, right from the ideation to deployment. So I get to see the whole journey, where I'm backed and supported by industry-connected academic mentors who have an extensive knowledge and experience of what's required in the workforce.
The programs focus on industrial engagement and the practical knowledge. To have both technical and soft skills have equipped me to be prepared for the real world in the industry.
The Master of Business Information Systems has given me a well-rounded understanding of not only the technical, but also how to apply technology strategically within different organizational contexts.
So a consulting career after graduating from Monash's Master of Business Information Systems course can take a few different pathways. As an example, as an entry-level consultant, their day-to-day might involve working with clients to deeply understand their business requirements and designing and building solutions and really honing their skills, including their technical skills, working with things like data engineering tools to build data pipelines or training or fine-tuning algorithms and large language models. As their career progresses, they take on more and more responsibility. So things like actively managing client relationships, managing teams and growing and developing those teams, as well as working with our clients to look at new things that can help add value to our clients' business.